he turns you, it's going to hurt. Okay? So if it's on the front of him and he turns you and you don't know it coming, it'll just fall off and you'll be great. Okay? So that remember that. All right, so we're going to do this for you. Ready? Here we go. So this is we just did a whip with an outside turn today in the first workshop. We said we did it correctly. Everybody did very well. That's nice stuff. That's getting better to dance. That's dancing better. So sugar push 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So we're connected, everything's good. So I'm going to prep her before I rotate her, before I bring her forward. I'm going to prep her. I haven't brought her forward at all. I'm just going to move my body to rotate her, and it's not 2 feet. It's like 6, 7 inches. Oh, right here. That's all I need to do. Then I'm going to step back to an angle, and I'll put my right foot behind my left foot. Stop on 2. 1, 2. She's on my left shoulder. That's absolutely fine. Why? Because she's going to step backwards until she runs into my connection, my hands. 3 and. She took 2 steps back. Back together doesn't work if it takes 2 steps to hit his hand. And back doesn't work if you hit his hand at the end of one step. You need to step together. So you don't go back together. You don't go back. You go till you run into his hand. You run into the connection. Okay. So then he's going to step across. He's going to step more than in front of her. I'm not going to step in front of her. I'm going to step past her. And I'm going to turn to my right and look to my right. 5 to finish, stepping out forward. 6, anchored, 7, and 8. So again, it'll be a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we're going to put a turn at the end of it. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Taking her to 5, I'm going to raise it up. On 6, I'm going to put it on the other side of her head. She's going to hold it in front of her, because what holds it in front of her is going to cause her to rotate with where her hand is facing, right? She's going to finish that rotation, 7 and 8. On 7 and 8, I'm going to bring this down gently and making sure her shoulder's in an appropriate position for that hand to come down. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1. Nice, sweet, thank you, sweet. Thank you guys very, very much. Robert, we're going to let you do a couple, then we're going to come back and do some really fun stuff, all right? Thank you for your attention.